All right, New Year's Eve. I think it's, I don't know, 7 o'clock maybe? Something like that. Anyways, I'm back here. That's real nice, right? Probably gonna have to change that. They called me back on this one, and they said they had a lockout, which they had one. But I've gone through every parameter on this unit, and everything looks good. Combustion numbers look good. I don't know yet what would have caused us to lock out. But why not, right? It's New Year, so let's have a ghost lockout. I have one more after this. Hopefully I get home by 1 in the morning. And it'd be good not to work tomorrow, but if I don't get back on, Happy New Year, everybody. May it be prosperous and joyous for all of you. As for me, I'm gonna stare at this ugly abomination of pipe, see if this boiler runs, and go to the next one.